Welcome to Mr. DIY Garage. In this video I want to teach you how you can turn on one LED, one light, and install a switch. How to connect a switch with a junction box, with a socket. So let's start. In the first we need a junction box. We need a power supply cable. I connect it direct to the socket to show you. I use this Jokari stripper, I like it. We prepare the cables for a power supply. So let's put a label to know this is our power supply. So this is the power supply, 230 volt. Okay. Let's continue. We have a switch. We need to open it. I use my screwdriver from Viha. Okay. One screw, the second screw. And here we will put two wires. Doesn't matter what color we use for the switch. I cut the two wires same length. I love this Knipex tool. Okay, so this was here, 1 and 2. Okay. Now I think we need a no, it's not good this. Let's see if we have another one. One cable in one side, make it shorter. And this one also we need to make it shorter. Good connection. And the second cable we put it here. good connection. Okay, we put this back, we put this, and we put this. Okay. And this is okay. This cable is too long. We prepare it. Let's make a little clean. We put these two wires also here, or here, it's okay. Okay, and let's see how we connect this. One connection. The second connection. Let's prepare the wires. Okay, so we have the cables, the light also. I will insert it here. Okay, let's strip this also. Let's find some vago. Let's see how we must to connect this. This is the life. From 230, this is the life. Well, good. We send the life to the switch. The return from the switch, we send it to the life of the light. And the neutral, we put a vago also to the grounding. Usually you must to send the grounding also to the light, to the switch. Let's see if I have another one. I will use the one with the 5. This cable is too long. Make it shorter. So this is the light from the light. This is the neutral. Good. And the neutral, I connect it with the neutral from the power supply. So let's see again. We have here the switch. The socket we don't need in this moment. So we have this cable, the power supply. What we do here? The life from the power supply, we send it to the switch. The return from the switch, we send it to the light. And the neutral, we connect it with the neutral from the power supply. In this way you see better. And the grounding, as I told you, if you have grounding wire, you must send it to the light, the yellow green. Let's connect the socket. And let's see, we have the light. Very simple to connect this junction box. Now we can put the cover of the junction box. We put the wires inside and we put the junction box back. So as you see, we turn on the light, we stop the light. We turn on the light, we stop the light. Good. I stop the power supply. I open the junction box again. And now, if we want to add a socket in this junction box, what we need to do? We need the socket, and we must connect the live from the socket to the live from the power supply. Let's open this again. So the live from the socket, we must connect it with the live from the power supply and the neutral. So here we have the light, we have the socket, we have I show you how to connect the junction box. I think everything is clear now. If you enjoyed this kind of video, please subscribe, give me a like button, maybe a comment, tell me what is your opinion, what you do in other way. It's free for you and help me a lot to do more content like this. See you next time. Bye.